Hey guys, Jessica here with the brand new Light Elegance Summer Squeeze collection. Inspired by the fresh colors and textures found in the fruit we all love, you are sure to fall in love with this. So watch me as I unbox. So we've got both the color gels as well as the glitters. So you can see they each have their own cute little picture on the back. So we're going to go ahead and open up the colors first. There's 6 colors, come with the swatch sticks and your gel application card. We're going to go through each color, starting with Devil Wears Guava. This is a beautiful nude color. As you can see, it's got this wonderful bronze shimmer throughout, and I just love it. It's just going to be awesome for summer when that sun hits it. You can see it's kind of got like that pinky bit to it, but that bronze really does come through. It's got wonderful coverage, and just like all the rest of the color gels, it goes on super smooth. So up next we have Strawberries and Cream. Now, Strawberries and Cream is a soft and sweet baby pink with that really pretty like pearl shimmer to it. I love this. I haven't had a color like this in a while. It's gonna be beautiful for all you people who love to wear like a good light nude color. This is gonna go great with anything. See in the swatch here, it does have a pretty good coverage. It has a lot of that pearl coming through, that nice little shimmer to it. But you'll see here, it's a little harder to tell, but it's got good coverage to it. Up next, we have Sublime Lime. This is gonna be a super fun. Oh, you guys see, okay, I have a confession. I totally opened these way before I did this video, and in transit to the salon, they got a little spilled. Oh well. But you can see this is an awesome electric green. It's gonna be so bright and so much fun. It's kind of a little pastel. You can see it's a little bit creamy. There's no shimmer to it at all, but it's got excellent coverage. There you see. Alright, up next we have Dragon Fruit. This one I know is going to be super popular. Again, a little bit spilled because I opened it right when I got it. But you can see here already, this is a hot color. It's this wonderful hot watermelon kind of pink to it. It looks a little bit red on camera, but you'll see here in a second. It's got really pretty shimmer to it, kind of like a opalescent. And you'll see when I swatch it here, it's a little bit translucent. That pink really does come out when you put it on. Again, pretty great coverage even for being a little translucent. Up next, we have Sunkissed. This one I know is going to be super fun for the summertime. It's a soft baby yellow, but it's not too soft. It's still got enough vibrance to it. It's very rich. You can see it's got really good coverage, but that creaminess does come out. Next up, Charming Cherry. Again, with a mess. Sorry guys, I can't, you know what? Oh, this one just, yeah, this is bad. You know what? We're gonna just skip that part. Anyways, this is a vibrant red-pink coral, but it has that creaminess to it too. It tends to lean a little bit more coral, and by coral I mean more on like the orangey coral side. Some people like to think coral's a little bit more on the pinky side or the orange side. I feel like this is a little bit more on the orange side. Again, great coverage. Up next, we have what everybody always looks forward to is the glitter gels. First up, we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. Again, glitter gels come with 6 different colors. You get the fun card and the little swatch sticks. First, we're gonna go ahead and open up a couple of coconuts. Here, oh, there it is. That beautiful, beautiful shimmer we all know and love. This color is got tiny bits of silver and crystal glitter, but it's a neutral beige pink, almost champagne base. So it's got that wonderful shimmer to it, but it's got enough base. It's got that wonderful coverage. This would look awesome just by itself, or you can definitely layer this. Up next, we have Bad Banana. This one, I think I was probably the most excited about. It's, oh my gosh. Pam, look at that. Wonderful, bright electric neon yellow glitter. I have a lot of clients that love hot colors, and this is going to pair so well over so many different things. Check that shimmer out. And as you can see for the swatch, it holds quite a bit of color in that glitter, so you get an awesome coverage to it. Up next, we have Nice Melons. This one is a fiery glitter gel. It's got some orange, some bronze, some yellow, some peach to it. It kind of just reminds me of like a summer campfire. Got that blazing shimmer to it. Got that really great coverage, awesome workability like we always trust from Light Elegance. Up next, we have Sangria. This one is so much fun. Look at that. It's like a party in a jar. This one is a mixture of different sizes of pearl glitter and Caribbean blue, hot pink, chartreuse, and bright red. This one, it's got some different coverage to it compared to the other glitters. It's got pretty good coverage because of the different mixed sizes in it, but you could definitely put this as a thin coat over a different color and have fun. Up next, we have Kiwi to My Hearts. This one is a lime green glitter gel. There's a little bit of chartreuse in it too. If you look in a second, there we go. As it spins, you can kind of see it in there. It's a little hard to capture on camera, but you can kind of see there's a couple different greens in there. Now as we come in with the swatch, you can see it's got excellent coverage with all that fine glitter in it. It's going to be super fun. Alright, up next we have Fruit Snacks. Everybody loves a good pink. Look at this. This one is super fun. So this one has a hot pink foundation to it, and the glitter has got a couple different things mixed in there. There's like some pink, some amber, a little bit of like that pearl glitter to it. Super fun. Again, awesome coverage. So here you have all of these swatches for the color, and then all the swatches for the ones for the glitter, and then the full collection. Guys, this collection is absolutely gorgeous. So many different color combinations and options. There's definitely something for everybody. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. Again, this is the Light Elegance Summer Squeeze collection. This collection will be out on May 1st. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.